Going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Wisdom Eyes Trading Club. We are back here every single day, almost with some exceptions, but today we're live and very excited to dive into the markets. I mean, so much going on. There's absolutely no end to the news, to the volatility, and the anticipation of what's going to happen next. So, I mean, now every single person is trying to predict where the market is going, when it's going to do so, and so much more. At the same time, the retail is wrecked. Everyone is thinking that the market is never going to recover because BTC, ETH, and Solana are just um, completely dead in terms of they're not showing any signs of upside. But this is exactly the time when we long-term holders and believers, we have to accumulate and we have to have funds to make uh, wise and educated bets. So market is really interesting to me, at least. It's completely weak. The New York it just opened and was pumped up and then sold off again. So let's check what's happening in this realm of BTCs and all these. So yeah, we had this little push at the New York session to the upwards, and now it was sold off again. I mean, it's not significant amount of volume, but again, it's just like you can see that the market, if you zoom out, this is exactly the retest area that I was talking about. You know, we closed perfectly bullish, but again, we had this 50 EMA on daily that was in comparison. In addition to that, there was a strong retest area that I was talking about that we need to really close inside here, and then we will make a retest from here, and then we can go up at least. But again, now, I mean, I just posted as well that World Liberty Foundation is accumulating ETH. They're buying, they're doubling their position size. Well, guess why they're doing this? Because they know something. They're not stupid. They wouldn't do this without having a clue what they're doing. And this is obviously bullish news for the crypto, because in crypto it really does not matter when some things happen. It's just a matter of certainties and probabilities whether they will happen. And if they accumulate with size, then obviously you can be sure of that something is going to push the market. And by this Friday, we're gonna have some news coming up from the master, from the market manipulator slash market maker himself, to Donald Trump. He's gonna announce a press conference, but like. Again, I told you many times that I am expecting this new wave up only in April, not before that. So very much looking forward if this is gonna be the truth. But again, if you just look at this like double top structure that was formed on it, and it was actually almost perfect. It's just maybe this impulse leg up to the highs of 4,000 was a bit too impulsive, but we are still at this trend line. Not sure if it's gonna held at this moment, but I think if this will reverse, then it's gonna do so really violently. So yeah, it's very interesting to see how this market will perform in the upcoming few months, but there is definitely weakness to that. So yeah, let's take a look at BTC Dominance, which we have been talking about quite a bit now. It's still at 61% of 61.2. It's just doing nothing for around 6th of February, and now there's it's just a market really anticipating the long-awaited altcoin season that might or might not come. We don't know, but one thing is for sure that at some point it will come. But in which format and how it will come, this will really remain. It remains to be seen because really no one knows. But again, like there were 60 million tokens launched on Solana in the meme coin season, and it's so over as over it can get. So there's not gonna be many memes that are going to survive this next leg up, and majority of the cryptos are dead anyway. So yeah, BTC is being sold off quite heavily with this you know uh, retest zone, and whether this low is going to hold, this really remains to be seen. But definitely there is a lot of profit takings at this area, and all the short sellers, they're now looking to take their first profits here. But usually what happens is that the market does not spike this low, and it creates actually liquidity. So there's going to be a lot of new buyers coming up at 78K who want to buy and potentially take profits at 110K, and so on and so forth. So I do expect range now moving forward until at least April. So I do not think that we're going to see like a massive run up from here right away. We just need to form some sort of price action in between this box, just as we were doing it here. So this is my personal prediction. Usually that's how the market performs. If there is going to be a long like up and down volatility, then that's what I do naturally expect to happen moving forwards as well. So with this in mind, I'm not trying to trade anything just yet, because really I want to see some sort of like more bullish price action forming, and ultimately, there is not much that can give us any sort of reasons why we should go up right away. So we will definitely go up, but when we'll go up, this is something that I do not know the answer for, and honestly speaking, I don't even want to know. So I just follow the market, and I'm just waiting for some sort of price action in the next coming months. That's what I'm personally doing. If you see gold, then also gold is almost hit 3,000. It's probably gonna do so at some point in the nearest future, and just the same thing as I mentioned with the BTC. It's the same. It has done in the exact same sort of structure. Okay, if we just remove everything. So if we take Bitcoin, this. I mean, technically, yeah, I can argue that this might not be true even now. But anyway, gold and Bitcoin, they move similarly, except just gold does everything first, and then Bitcoin will usually follow. But obviously, this is not 100% sure all the time, but majority of the time it holds true. And there is many reasons for Bitcoin to go up in the first place. But I just want to remind you guys how Dogecoin in 2021 did 12 12x since 1st of April. So 1st of April there was a first, like it was the second time that it was like initial pump, and there are many pumps. But anyway, the massive altcoin season started actually with Doge doing 12x, and after that it basically started its accumulation phase again. And this is exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to real bull markets, not just the mini bull market that we've seen. And I believe that it's still gonna come. It's most likely that to happen, and I believe it's gonna come. But I believe that it's gonna be in April, not before. So yeah, just more alignments are waiting for us in April, right? So yeah, with this being said, there is not much to update. It's just like you need to really, really wait and do nothing because the market is not favoring buys. If you can short, you can try it, but obviously now it's already too late. There is not much to short because the majority of the move has been already um, happened to the downside. So that's what I suggest you to do. Just wait, do nothing, and pray that this shit is going to be over sooner than later. And thank and go touch some grass. Basically, I would say do not accumulate anything. You don't know how long it's gonna last. You don't want to be anxious and impulsive in your day-to-day life. Just do nothing. That's my best advice for for now. If you want to be on top of the game, informed about the market, come and join the community. We have a lot of people just talking crypto currencies day in, day out, and that's where the fun is. While not doing anything, you at least have some fun. So Wisdomized community Telegram is active, so come and join us there. I'm also there, and hope to see you in the next one. See you. Thank you. Bye.